Hello, this is a simple introduction of our compressor working principle. Before using our compressor, you can refer to our operational manual first. Compressor is mainly used to provide air in dental clinic or dental lab for dental equipment. This is our simple and basic motor, and this motor is 600 power and with 24 liters air tank. The compressor is controlled by this switch. Like this, the compressor will start. This is the pressure switch. The compressor the pressure of compressor is from 0 to 8. It means when the pressure at 0, the compressor will start automatically, and the pressure at 8, the compressor will stop automatically. This is the air intake. The air comes in from this air intake. The air intake is used to filter the air, such as filter the dust from the air, and also make the compressor more silent. And then the air comes through the motor and the braided type, the check valve, the solenoid valve, and go into the air tank. This is a capacitor. This is a drainage valve. Drain valve is used to drain out the water in compressor tank. Every 3 days, please drain out the water. Here, this is safety valve. Safety valve is used to protect the compressor from some accidents, such as the motor is suddenly broken, or the pressure switch is suddenly broken, and the compressor can't work normally. It can't start automatically or stop automatically. Then the safety valve will protect the compressor, and then the human will not be hurt. This is pressure. This is the rubber foot of the motor. Is used to reduce the vibration of compressor. Our air tank is painted outside and inside 3 millimeters thickness to make the air tank protect the air tank from rusting inside, so to make the air is clean and the environment. Okay. If any other questions about a compressor, you can email me or ask me online. Thank you.